4th of July gnomes, y'all! First, choose some gnome-shaped rocks. Paint them with acrylic white first. You can use spray paint or paint from a tube. Painting them white as a base first will make all your colors more vibrant. Then trace your rock on a piece of paper so you can sketch out your design. You can use acrylic paint or acrylic paint markers. I just happen to have tubes of paint on hand. On this one, I traced out my beard with a Sharpie. To fill in the bigger spaces, I used my paintbrush. For his nose, I just mixed red and white to make his nose pink. Then I used my Sharpie again just to make some defined lines. Repeat the same technique on all your stones. In each of the beers, I used a little bit thicker white so you can see the texture in the paint. To add some bling, I use Mod Podge and red glitter. Next, I used star stickers for the hat. I stuck them on and then I Mod Podged over the top. Can't have too much bling. I added some sparkles on his pants. A few more stars for this guy's hat. I hope you've had fun making these patriotic gnomes. I'd appreciate the thumbs up and a follow. Hope to see you soon.